Hi, in this video, we're going to show you a way that you could copy text and images from different sources into files within Windows. So let's say you're on a web page and you copy some text, and rather than having to make a new Notepad file, for example, and then paste it in there, you could just paste it as a text file and then save for images. All right, so to do so, we're going to be using the free Windhawk tool here. So if you don't know what Windhawk is, it's an app you install and then you add what are called mods into Windhawk, and then these mods change the way Windows looks and operates. All right, so we have Windhawk installed here. We have our home screen, which has our installed mods and some featured mods, and then you could go to Explore, search for other ones in the search box, filter and sort, and that type of thing. All right, so the one we're going to want to use is called Paste Clipboard Content to Explore. So you just search for it in the search box in the Explore section, click on Details. You can see what it does here, and then you want to click on Install. And then you're going to get this Proceed with Care warning here, which you'll see for any mod you install, so don't worry about it. So we'll click on Accept, Risk, and Install. And now when we go back home, we have it here in our active mods. And you can see we have a couple mods that need to be updated as well, which you'll see from time to time. All right, so we could enable it and disable it from here, remove it from here, go to details, do the same thing, disable, enable, and remove. So this one doesn't have any settings, and here are the details. So it's already active right now because it's enabled. So let's say we have a Word document here, and we copy this text, for example, here, go into a folder, just do Control V for paste. You can see it makes a text file called clipboard. And then we open it up and we have our text here. So it's not going to keep the formatting and fonts and that type of thing. It's just going to paste it as blank text. All right, so now if we do this image, for example, here, Control C, it'll make a PNG file out of the image. You can see we have that as well. And let's say we copied text and image here. He just puts a 1 after the next file here. It's just going to create a text file. It's not going to copy both the text and the image, so you'd have to do it separately here. All right, so now let's go to our web page here. Let's say we copy some text out of here. Works the same way. And let's say we were on a web page here with some pictures. So one thing to watch for when it comes to pictures is that it's going to copy whatever size picture you copy. So for example, say I copied this one here, copy image. You can see that's the size we get. But if we were to make it full size here, so you can see the size here is 2500 by 1406. Now you can see we have a much bigger picture, and it also kept the transparency in the background. That's why it's black here. So if you're going to be doing this, you might want to sort your files by date here to kind of keep them in order. And of course, you could rename the files after that as well. All right, let's try this one here. See if we could paste it on the desktop as well, which should work because it's technically a folder. There you go. And then if you change your mind, you don't want to use it anymore, you could come here and disable it or remove it completely. All right, and then one side note on Winhawk. In order for your mods to work, Winhawk needs to be running here in your system tray. So if they ever stop working, just come here, make sure it's running. And if not, you could just reopen the Winhawk app and it should put it back down there. And then Winhawk should also be set to start with your computer by default, so you're not going to have to start it every time you reboot. All right, so I'll put a link in the description where you can download Windhawk, and then just search for the Paste Clipboard Content to Explore mod in the Explore section here. Click on Details and Install, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.